So what I'm going to do in this video is to show you how to download and install Python on your system. So for that, first of all, you have to open your browser and type in Python download in the search bar, and then you have to click on this link which says download Python, python.org, and then it will redirect you to this python.org website, which is the official website of Python. So here, as you can see, there is this link is there which says download Python 3.8.1. So this is the latest version at the time of making this video. So just click on this link and then it will redirect you to this website, this web page for downloading Python 3.8.1. So what you have to do is you have to scroll all the way to the bottom of this page, and then here you can see under this file section there are different versions are there. So if you are having Mac OS 64-bit system, so you can go for this link which says Mac OS 64-bit installer. And if you are having Windows and your system is 32-bit system, then you can go for this link which says Windows x86 executable installer. And if you are having Windows and your system is of 64-bit, so then you can go for this link which says Windows x86 64-bit 64 executable installer. So as I have already downloaded the installer, so I'll move on to the installation process. So once you will run the setup or the installer, you will get this wizard which says Python 3.8.1 64-bit setup. So here you will get these two options, which is one is of install now. If you click on this option, then it will install the Python with all the default settings. And then in this second section which says customize installation, here you will get the option to customize your installation. So before clicking on any of this link, this option, you have to make sure that you check this box which says add Python 3.8 to path. So what it will do is it will automatically add this Python to your system's environment variable. So you don't have to then do this step after installing this Python 3.8.1 or the Python. So after checking this option, you you can go for any of these two option. So I'll go for this customize installation. So after this, you will get this option whether to install all these things like documents, pip, and all. So I'll keep everything checked and will click next. And then here it will ask you for this option like install for all users. You can check this option if you are having multiple users on your system, so that you know all the users can use this Python. Then all these options are there like add Python to environment variables, which you did in the previous one. So I'll keep everything default. Just I will change this customize installation location. So there I'm changing my drive, because as you can see like here it is showing that this Python will get installed in my C drive. So I don't want Python to be installed on my C drive because I don't have enough space. So I'll just change my drive to D, and then move on with this installation process. So as you can see, the installation process is going on. So you have to just wait. Okay, so this wizard is saying that setup was successful. Then you have this option like you can click on this link to check the tutorial page which is offered by Python's official website, and you can also click on this link to check the documentation. And also lastly, you can click on this link to check what are the new things which is being added to the latest release, which is 3.8.1. So I'll just simply close this wizard, and one last step is there, like to check whether Python is successfully installed on your system or not. You have to open your command prompt if you are on Windows, and terminal if you are on Mac, and you have to type in this command, which is Python, then a double hyphen, and then version. So if everything is successful, like your Python installer successfully installed the Python on your system, you will get uh, this statement which says Python 3.8.1, means it is showing me the version which is right now installed on my system. So this shows that everything is successful, like I successfully installed Python on my system.